Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Beacon House Old Children Society, Boss Memory Lane. Beacon House Boss is all about building a community together. We are glad to welcome Mr. Faiq Rizwan in today's episode of Memory Lane. Mr. Faiq is a graduate of Beacon House Margala campus, Islamabad. After graduating from BMMI in 2018, he pursued his business degree with major in marketing from Nust University. During his undergrad, he actively participated in various entrepreneurial events and also won the Unilever Talent Hunt. Currently, he is working as an associate consultant at Carnelian and has worked with more than 60 organizations across different industries, creating learning and development programs, organizing events, team retreats, and conferences. He plans to pursue a degree in organizational psychology in the coming years. Mr. Faiq Rizwan, welcome to Boss Memory Lane. So glad that you've been able to take out time and being with us. Let's talk about the fondest memory at Beacon House, BMI.
I think especially जब मैं O levels में था और हम boys branch में थे. So I remember कि boys branch में one of the things that we used to really enjoy was जो हमारे free lessons होते थे.
Wow. Okay.
So I think one memory that I do remember. So when I was in school, वहाँ पे एक time पे when we had a free lesson, a teacher did not actually show up. So उस time पे जो बाकी सारे students होते थे, वो मेरे class fellows, वो मुझे push करते थे कि यार तुम जाके games का lesson ले लो. I don't know why उनको क्यों ऐसा लगता था कि for some reason मैं ये बात कर सकता हूँ.
Right.
शायद क्योंकि मेरी अम्मा होती थी school में, maybe they thought इसका कोई influence है.
कोई होगा, but ऐसा होता नहीं है.
The reality of it was कि मेरी अम्मा की वजह से शायद मुझे no होता.
Faiq, if you have to describe your school life in 3 words, what would that be and why?
I think social, brave, and also busy.
All right.
Yeah, so social because BMI was a massive school. I remember socializing was something जो कि मैंने वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा pick up की थी.
Right.
And उसके अलावा with the socializing I needed a lot of bravery. So the context was कि मैं जब 9th grade में आया था in O levels. So उससे पहले I came from Sargodha.
Right.
Because वहाँ पे मैं Beacon House में ही होता था.
course.
But Sargodha was a much again smaller Beacon House.
Right.
Different kind of environment. So I remember when I came into BMI तो मैं बहुत intimidated feel करता था. And I think that required a lot of bravery in the initial bits to get through it. लेकिन I think जो वो environment थी उसने थोड़ा सा उसको build भी किया और encourage भी किया and I got there.
Right.
And lastly was just busy. Like when you talk about कि जो है ना तुम्हें क्या किया, I don't think we stopped to think कि जो है ना and reflect.
It's so happening always.
Everything was just so happening. भागदौड़ things, classes, lessons, lectures, jokes. It was all happening all the time, and I had a very sort of packed 5 years that I spent at BMI. But I loved it. So yeah, that's kind of how I describe it.
As they say at school, you make friends for life. Did you make few? Would you like to name them?
Yeah, for sure. The friends that I made, especially जब मैं आया था O levels में. So there are 3 that I basically want to shout out because ये वो 3 थे जिनके साथ मैं to this day मैं अभी भी दोस्त हूँ. They were Rafe, Asad, and Awais.
Do you remember your section name?
Yeah, orange.
Oh, okay.
I remember it was orange क्योंकि हम उसको Malta कहते थे. It was 9 Malta, 10 Malta.
Well, which group you were in? मतलब पढ़ाकू थे, शरारती थे, or balanced था? What was it like?
Of course, I'd like to think it was balanced.
Okay.
क्योंकि जब पढ़ाई का time आता था तो फिर हम definitely बहुत पढ़ते थे. लेकिन I do think कि जो है ना we were the people who जिनको ज़्यादा शौक था कि थोड़ी सी शरारतें करते हैं, थोड़ा सा कुछ interesting करते हैं, push करते हैं boundaries को, देखते हैं क्या
होता है.
हाँ.
Right. What aspect of your professional life which you really love nowadays and Beacon House has impacted on it?
I think so Beacon House के अंदर ना the one benefit of a school like BMI is कि diversity आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मिलती है. So from top down everywhere आपको जो है ना the different backgrounds, different contexts लोगों के.
And different culture also.
Absolutely, हर दुनिया जहान से
diverse
आप
culture.
लोग के आए हुए थे. So today जो मेरा काम है, it's primarily consulting.
Exactly.
So I have to deal with companies, I have to deal with different organizations in different industries, different parts of the country. So जो वो बीकन हाउस वाली ट्रेनिंग थी ऑन हाउ टू टॉक टू पीपल,
Oh.
ठीक है, हाउ टू हैव अ communication, good conversation, जल्दी chit chat. I felt like my ability to make small talk really improved.
Wow.
ठीक है, and the kind of job that I currently do, मुझे इसकी बहुत ज़रूरत है. The ability to network, the ability to have this conversation.
अच्छा, you've had siblings also at Beacon House?
My younger
Comparison
sister.
होता था जी?
My younger sister.
ये हम जरूर पूछते हैं उन सारे बहन भाइयों से जो एक कैंपस में जाते थे या पढ़ते थे, भाई क्या होता था?
नहीं, my younger sister, she used to be there. मुझे I think फायदा इस चीज़ का था कि शायद क्योंकि she was 3 years younger, so थोड़ा सा गैप था, so मेरा इतना the comparison wasn't too intense.
Alright, okay.
क्योंकि वो मेरी बहन थी. I think we've been at a similar age, फिर ज़्यादा होता. I did also have a cousin. I know आपने siblings का पूछा है.
Cousins हैं।
उसके साथ मेरा बहुत था.
ओहो हो,
Because
अच्छा।
he was in the same, like मैं भी 9th में था, वो भी 9th में था, मैं 10th
Right.
में था, वो भी 10th में था.
Grades का comparison होता था किस
Yeah,
चीज़?
yeah,
Oh,
everything.
okay. You know, Faik, sometimes in our life we get to hear a few words which really stay with us and we follow them.
Mhm.
What were those words and said to you by whom and you really followed them?
Ooh, that's a tough one. Because I've been lucky to have lots of people जिन्होंने मुझे बहुत अच्छी advice दी है down the line. But I think honestly one thing that so something that somebody said to me, and this was actually at school. I remember I was talking to one of my teachers. मैं उन्हें ये कह रहा था कि यार I struggle with people taking me seriously.
Oh.
And I remember कि this teacher said to me कि यार have you ever tried being a bit vulnerable and a bit open? Have you tried कि तुम एक conversation ऐसे शुरू करो कि अम्मा अब मैं एक चीज़ के बारे में थोड़ा सा परेशान हूँ,
Okay.
आप मुझे help कर सकती हैं
Alright,
इसमें?
okay.
And I think that was one of the things that really helped me because it made me comfortable with the idea कि यार मैं बादशाह नहीं हूँ यहाँ पे, I'm not the king. It's okay.
Right.
मैं आ सकता हूँ with a more vulnerable approach to it and say hey, can I need help? And it helped me with my parents, it helped me at school, it helped me at work. So yeah, that was something that really
That's
really
so
stuck by
profound.
me.
So you remember the election days at school?
Oh my God, yes.
Let's talk about that because
Yes.
that's always the fun part at
Elections
Beacon
were
House.
so much fun. I remember मैं जब आया था 9th में, so उस time पे जब head boy वाले elections भी चल रहे थे, तो I was so new to this culture, ठीक है ना? It was so weird to me कि एक lesson हो रहा होता था and like 25-30 लड़के एकदम अंदर आ जाते थे.
Campaign हो रही है.
Campaign हो रही है, नारे लगा रहे हैं. I was like यार अच्छा ये क्या? And मैं इतना fascinate हुआ था उससे. And I remember कि when we got into the 11th grade और फिर हमारे दोस्तों की बारी थी to run for head boy and stuff. फिर हमने उनके लिए campaigning की थी. इतना मजा आया था.
So now coming back to your profession, how do you see the dynamics of marketing changing in Pakistan, especially with the AI and digital marketing?
Yeah, so I think AI definitely is a massive shift. It's a shift in how we work. It's a
Right.
shift in currently it's how we do things.
Right.
It doesn't अभी तक उसके इतने seismic impacts हमने feel नहीं किया because we're still learning it. But definitely I will say that stories and storylines is something that is dominating marketing right now.
Right.
So that's something जो कि आप AI use करके भी you can do well.
True.
But I think especially right now, the creativity side of it, वो अभी तक we're still sort of managing that ourselves. AI helps, but it's AI is forcing us to think of a lot of things. But yeah, I think for now, the marketing industry, the creative industry is safe for the time.
For the time.
For the
Okay.
time
Right. So do you remember teacher's name?
There was this one teacher जो कि मेरी favorite thing, and she was my favorite not in school. She was my favorite after school.
All right. Okay.
So she was my physics teacher in O levels, and she taught me physics all 3 years of O levels. Her name was also Shazia, which is my mother's name, but it was Shazia Farooq. But she was such a good teacher. She knew her subject so well.
Wow.
She taught it really well. And the one thing that I could never ever complain about was that when I needed to learn something, when I wanted to learn something, she was always there.
Almost there.
And then the day जो मेरा physics का paper था,
Okay.
so physics का paper was in our, I believe, gym hall जो हमारा था वहाँ पे, that was where the center was inside the school. अब वहाँ पे मैं जा रहा हूँ physics का paper देने के लिए और उसके साथ ही ना मेरी physics की teacher entrance से थोड़ा पीछे खड़ी है. And I remember I went there and she said कि हाँ कैसी तैयारी है? मैंने कहा मैम अच्छी है आई थिंक
exactly.
थोड़ा नर्वस था मैंने
Of
कहा
course.
अच्छी है आई
And
थिंक
that's O levels.
एंड शी सिंपली सेड टू मी कि नहीं नहीं तुम तो बहुत स्मार्ट हो तुम कर लोगे
Really?
या इजी व्हाट
Okay.
Really?
Really?
अच्छा एंड मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता मुझे कितना कॉन्फिडेंस मिला था बिकॉज आई थॉट कि इन्होंने अगर कहा है ना
Yeah, so then,
then there must be something
wow.
and lo and behold I got an A.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So she was one of those teachers जो कि मैं बस I can't forget. Yeah.
Right. अच्छा, आपको टेक्निकल और सपोर्ट स्टाफ का किसी का नाम याद है कोई ऐसा वाकया कोइंसिडेंट because
मुझे
we
अब
have one of the
क्योंकि
best support staff.
I agree but मुझे क्योंकि अब honestly काफी टाइम हो गया है so I can't say कि मुझे उनके नाम याद हैं एक हमारे गार्ड होते थे जो कि A levels गेट पे थे यार I hate the fact कि मुझे उनका नाम नहीं याद आ रहा because वो बहुत अच्छे थे
Right.
ठीक है and he was one of those people जो कि जिनको हम याद थे
Wow.
मतलब even I think जब because my younger sister she was in BMI for like 3 years even after I left तो I remember मैं 3 साल बाद भी जब उसको कभी पिक करने जाता था तो he knew me ठीक है वो मुझे उसी तरह ही सलाम करते थे और मिलते थे जैसे as if I was still at school and I remember कि the support staff made you feel like कि अच्छा आप
It's a family.
Yeah.
True.
So वो अच्छा था I always liked it.
So Faik, in the end, what pearls of wisdom would you like to share with the young minds of Beacon House across the globe?
So the one or two things that I can say is कि पहली बात तो ये O levels is terrifying.
Okay.
A levels is terrifying.
Right.
And मैंने क्योंकि खुद ये टाइम गुजारा था तो it feels like कि जिंदगी खत्म हो जाएगी अगर आपके ग्रेड्स ना आए अगर आपने चीजें मैनेज नहीं की एक तो पहली बात that's not true. I've seen people जिनके मेरे से बहुत बुरे grades थे do much better than me and vice versa.
Right.
So the grades part of it does not matter. Please build connections. That's it. That's everything. That is our purpose. हम social people हैं, हम social structures में काम करते हैं. Get comfortable with networking. Get comfortable with talking to people. Get comfortable with having conversations. Try and have like 10 different conversations in a day. And when I say different, I mean distinctly different.
All right.
ठीक है, different people, different topics, different areas of interest, उसको explore करें, and that's it. That's all that I would like to impart. उस तरह तो there's a list, but I think honestly stick with this, and you'll be fine.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, on this positive note, we end our Beacon House Boss Memory Lane. Thank you so much, Faik, and see you next time.
Beacon House Old Student Society, BOSS, building a community together.